Hello, champion. Chef George here from the Georgia Life Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make an avocado flatbread sandwich. Kind of-ish. You'll see when it's finished. Okay, here we go. Before we do that, though, I want you to hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, let the world know that we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world-famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauce rubs and amazing recipes. Here we go. So we got some diced tomatoes, we got George's all-purpose rub, we got some romaine lettuce, we got some shiitake mushrooms, we got some vegan sour cream, and we got some vegan cheese. We also over here we diced up some of the avocado. We diced that up. We're gonna add some of George's all-purpose rub to it. Bam, 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 like that. Then we're gonna spread this bad boy. Before we do that though, I got the flatbread, and I'm gonna take the flatbread and kind of put it on the burner over here. Kind of get it a little toasty. That's what I'm gonna do first. That's what I'm gonna do. George's all-purpose rub on it. I'm just gonna put that up on there. And we're gonna just spread that on like that. It's gonna be a real simple recipe. Watch what happens. Don't blink, because if you blink, you might miss it. It's gonna be awesome. Look at that. Put that on like that. Right? Put a little. It's almost like a pizza, right? We're gonna put some lettuce on here. We're gonna put some lettuce on there. We're gonna put some tomatoes on here. Use some tricolored cherry tomatoes. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna put some of these mushrooms, these shiitake mushrooms on there. Right? We're gonna take a little bit of the vegan cheddar cheese. Vegan cheddar cheese we're gonna put up on here. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Then we'll just top it off with a little bit of the vegan sour cream. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more. The George's on here. All-purpose rub on there. Bam, bam, bam. Now you can do this a couple of ways. You can cut this into slices, right? You can cut this into slices, or you can just eat it like this, like. So there you go. There you have it. The avocado. That's the avocado. You see that? That's the avocado flatbread. Awesome. So guys, make sure you hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and again, we appreciate your time. Let us know what you like best about this video. My name is Chef George for the George's Live Cooking Show. You guys are awesome. God bless. Chef George out. Fired up.